Hello and welcome. Today I'm walking from Calcot to Sheffield Bottom near Theale. I've never seen so much water here before like this. This time of year. It's now May and it's becoming like a floodplain. Oh, grey-legged geese with their young ones. Unfortunately, this is the only way I could pass because the rest of the field has got flooded in places. Several flooded channels. So the only way I could pass was to come over here beside the river. River Kennet. Right, this is threatening me there, that's it. I'm passing by. I'll have to come back later though. It's alright, I'm not chasing you. Look at the rest of it. Threatening me, I'm going. It was the only way I could pass. I can't walk through the flooded field. Yeah, so I have to cross the bridge, walk towards Sheffield Bottom. Over the other side is Burfield and Theale. Yeah, River Kennet. That's the way I'm walking over that side. Yeah, that's the bridge on the M4. That's the bridge M4 near junction 12. Standing amongst the stinging nettles. I was going to say even the stinging nettles not nice this time of year, but the sun's gone. Black-headed gulls on the river. They must be getting some insect, I think. Taking some insect off the surface of the river. Yeah, this is one of the lakes at Burfield. But I use it for the sailing club, use it, and they also use it for fishing. Anglers use it. Yeah, this is Garston Lock. That's a Avon Canal. Down the River Kennet, is flowing the other side. They're just meeting there, look. That's the way I just walked, where the two meet. Yeah, I now know what insect the black-headed gulls are taking. There's a few mayflies hatching out. Very dark, like black-coloured mayflies. Not very many, but there's a few. I don't remember seeing that sign before, the last time I came here. Black-headed gulls looking really lovely with their summer plumage. Yeah, this is Sheffield Lock. Very picturesque house. It's a swing bridge at Sheffield Bottom.